Craving fried food without the guilt? What if you could enjoy crispy, golden perfection without a drop of Teflon in sight? Welcome back, food lovers. Today we're diving deep into the world of ceramic air fryers, kitchen gadgets that promise healthier, tastier meals and peace of mind with toxin-free, easy-to-clean ceramic coatings. Stick around to discover which model deserves a spot in your kitchen and why our #1 pick might just change the way you cook forever. 6. GreenLife 4.5 QT Mechanical Air Fryer. The GreenLife 4.5 QT Mechanical Air Fryer is a solid entry point for anyone curious about ceramic-coated air frying. Its standout feature is the PFAS-free ceramic nonstick crisper drawer, which means your food is free from harmful chemicals and cleanup is a breeze. The 4.5 quart capacity is generous enough for families, letting you whip up everything from crispy fries to a full roast chicken. Using the GreenLife, I found the adjustable temperature and timer dials refreshingly simple. No complicated digital menus here. The air fryer heats up quickly and cooks evenly, producing crispy sweet potato fries and juicy chicken wings with up to 75% less oil than traditional frying. The stay-cool handle and dishwasher-safe parts make it convenient for busy weeknights, and the compact, stylish design adds a pop of color to your countertop. However, there are some drawbacks. The mechanical timer, while easy to use, lacks the precision of digital models. I noticed that it can be a little tricky to get exact cooking times, especially for more delicate recipes. The controls are basic, and you won't find any preset cooking modes or advanced features here. If you're someone who loves set-and-forget convenience, or wants to experiment with a wide range of recipes, you might find the GreenLife a bit limiting. Another small gripe is the size. While it's marketed as family-sized, I found that if you're cooking for more than 4 people, you'll need to work in batches. And while the non-stick ceramic coating is a huge plus for health and cleanup, the overall build feels a bit lightweight compared to some pricier models. 5. Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer. Next up is the Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer, a compact powerhouse designed for kitchens where space is at a premium. Its slim profile is a real game changer, fitting neatly even in the most crowded cooking spaces. The ever-good ceramic non-stick coating ensures your food releases effortlessly, and cleanup is a snap. No more scrubbing or soaking. Cooking with the Bella, I appreciated the intuitive digital controls and 6 preset functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. The 1300-watt power and circular heat technology deliver fast, even cooking, and the basket is surprisingly spacious for such a small unit, holding up to 3 pounds of food. The cool touch handles and modern design details make it both safe and stylish. In practice, the Bella excelled at everyday tasks, like crisping up chicken nuggets, fries, and even small batches of baked goods. The digital presets take the guesswork out of cooking, and the ever-good ceramic coating lived up to its promise. Nothing stuck, even after I forgot to clean it for a day or two. The basket and tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup almost effortless. But there are a few downsides. The digital display, while easy to use, has a quirk. When the unit is off, the on-off button blinks constantly, which some users might find annoying. Adjusting temperature and time can also be a bit fiddly as the presets default to certain settings that you have to manually override. 4. Tasti-Crisp Ceramic Air Fryer Oven. Moving up the list, the Tasti-Crisp Ceramic Air Fryer Oven stands out for its ultra-compact design and user-friendly operation. This air fryer is perfect for solo cooks or small kitchens with a 2.6 quart capacity that's ideal for quick snacks, sides, or reheating leftovers. The ceramic coating on the crisper drawer is a huge plus, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring your food doesn't stick. The digital display is straightforward, offering customizable presets and a keep warm function, handy for busy days. The top handle makes it easy to move around, and the lightweight build means it won't hog your counter space. In my tests, the Dash performed well with simple tasks like reheating frozen foods and cooking small portions of salmon or veggies. The Air Crisp technology really does reduce fat by up to 75%, and I found the results consistently crisp and tasty. The basket and tray are dishwasher safe, which is always a win for convenience. But the compact size is a double-edged sword. While it's great for storage and small meals, it's not suitable for families or anyone who wants to cook larger batches. In cooking tests, it struggled a bit with more ambitious recipes. Potatoes and donuts didn't come out as crispy as I'd hoped, and the chicken, while cooked through, lacked juiciness. The small control panel can also be a bit frustrating, especially for those who prefer larger, more tactile buttons. 3. Yedi Evolution Air Fryer. Taking the third spot is the Yedi Evolution Air Fryer, a 6.8-quart beast that's all about capacity and versatility. This model is a showstopper in both design and function, featuring a 360-degree stainless steel exterior and a large LCD display with easy-to-use presets. The ceramic-coated basket is toxin-free, no PFOA, PTFE, BPA, lead, or cadmium, and the square shape means you can fit more food than with round baskets. I loved the accessory kit that comes included: a ceramic-coated divider, pizza pan, multi-purpose rack, skewers, cupcake pan, and dehydrator racks. This air fryer isn't just for fries and wings, it's a full-on kitchen workhouse. In testing, the Yedi Evolution handled everything I threw at it: whole chickens, pizzas, cupcakes, and even dehydrated fruit. The presets and large icon display make it intuitive for beginners, while the advanced features satisfy more experienced cooks. The dehydration function is a standout, letting you make healthy snacks with ease. Cleanup is simple thanks to the ceramic coating, and the included accessories expand your cooking options. There are a couple of minor drawbacks. The unit is heavy and takes up significant counter space, so it's not ideal for smaller kitchens. Some users have reported issues with the basket not locking in place perfectly, but I didn't encounter this myself. The size and weight make it less portable, but if you have the space, it's a small price to pay for the versatility and performance you get. 2. DAYBEST Ceramic Air Fryer. Runner-up on our list is the DAYBEST Ceramic Air Fryer, a model that truly impressed me with its blend of power, safety, and versatility. Sporting a 6-quart capacity and a robust 1700-watt heating system, the DAYBEST is built for families and serious home cooks alike. The Teflon-free ceramic coating ensures your food is cooked without exposure to harmful chemicals, and cleanup is effortless. I was particularly impressed by the dual heating coils, top and bottom, which guarantee even cooking and crispy results whether you're making fries, roasting veggies, or baking cookies. The visible cooking window is a thoughtful touch, letting you monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. And the multifunctionality is another highlight, with multiple cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, grill, barbecue, dehydrate, broil, and toast. It's a true multitasker. The stainless steel construction eliminates plastic odors and boosts durability, while the auto shutoff feature adds a layer of safety. In my tests, the air fryer delivered consistently great results, from perfectly grilled steaks to crisp golden fries. The basket means you can cook for the whole family in one go. A few downsides to note: the larger size means it might be a tight fit in smaller kitchens, and the initial cost is a bit higher than basic models. Some users reported a learning curve with the control panel, especially when adjusting presets and temperatures. But I found that after a few uses, it became second nature. 1. Tasti Ceramic Air Fryer. And finally, our number one pick, the Tasti Ceramic Air Fryer. This model is a true game changer, combining high-tech features with user-friendly design and outstanding cooking performance. With a 5.5-quart capacity, it strikes the perfect balance between family-sized meals and countertop convenience. What sets the Tasti apart is its sensor magic technology. Built-in dual sensor thermometers monitor the internal temperature of your food, ensuring perfect doneness every time. Whether you're cooking steak, chicken, fish, or fries, the smart algorithms handle the temperature and timing for you. The air fryer can reach up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees hotter than most competitors, delivering beautifully browned and crispy results in record time. The 8-in-1 functionality and 24 cooking presets mean you can air fry, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, all with a single touch. The digital control panel is intuitive, and the Tastee app provides over 60 recipes, step-by-step tutorials, and real-time cooking notifications. The see-through window and internal light let you monitor progress without losing heat, And the advanced ceramic coating is completely free of PFA, PFOA, PTFE, BPA, and cadmium. In my hands-on experience, the Tasti consistently delivered restaurant-quality results. Steaks came out juicy and perfectly cooked, fries were golden and crisp, and even slow-cooked dishes retained their moisture and flavor. The non-stick basket made cleanup a breeze, and the compact design fit easily on my countertop, despite its generous capacity. The only real downside is the price. It's an investment, but one that pays off in performance, versatility, and peace of mind. Final thought. There you have it, our definitive countdown of the best ceramic air fryers available today. Whether you're just starting your air frying journey or ready to upgrade to a high-tech powerhouse, there's a model here for every kitchen and every budget. Remember, choosing a ceramic-coated air fryer isn't just about crispy food, it's about healthier meals, easier cleanup, and peace of mind.